This video will show you how to append to a file using C#. Navigate to week 6 and download the starting project for T55. Save the link, open the folder, and then extract all from the zip file. You will see a friend file folder. Open the folder inside there that is also named friend file, and in there you're going to see the friend file solution. Open that and ignore the security warning, and then open the form CS inside of this Solutions Explorer. We're working with the same project as the writing to a file video, and we still have the same form, which has a form named form 1, to which we have a label, a text box, and a couple of buttons. We're going to double click the write name button, and we're going to do a try catch again in case we cannot write to a file. So we do a try, and then we do a catch for the exception, as we did in the previous video where we wrote to the file. And we're just going to show an error message for the user if there's an issue with writing to the file. In the try, we're going to declare a StreamWriter variable, just like we did with the previous video. And the StreamWriter again is not going to be recognized by Visual Studio. You have to click Show Potential Fixes and click on Using System I/O, which will add the Using System I/O line, and that now will allow the Visual Studio to recognize what StreamWriter is. The next step, which will be different, is to open the file to append text. So we're not going to create text. What we're going to do is we're going to append text. So it will be slightly different from before, so that anything that we write will be added to the existing contents of the file. The next thing will be just like before, to write to the file as so. So we're going to do an output file write line, and we're going to write the contents of whatever the user has entered inside of the text box. And then the next thing that we need to do is we need to close the file to disconnect the program from it. And we're going to show a message to the user that we have written successfully. And then a couple more things. We want to clear the text box so that the user can enter another thing without erasing. And we also want to set the focus so that our application is already set up and ready for us to enter things inside of the text box. We're going to say name text box dot focus, so that focus is set to this control. And that's pretty much it. That is the different things that we're going to be doing here. And let's check the program. Start, and enter a friend's name. First, write, okay. Notice how it clears it. Second, write, okay. And let's write a third as well. Write name, okay. And then we're just going to close the program, and let's see where our file is saved. So again, we're going to go inside of the friend file folder. We're going to go into the bin debug, and there's the friends.txt, and with the 3 things that we have written to it. Now we again have the friend file txt executable standalone program, which we can just double click to run. And now I'm going to write something else. Fifth, write name. Sixth, write name. And we're just going to close the program and double check. And notice that new things that we enter using the append are added to the existing contents of the file.